So there are a lot of things that I want to talk about, but let's address this issue. Why am I not uploading regularly? So there are reasons. I mean, there are basically two reasons main. The first thing is I hate rain. Second thing is it's difficult to manage your time between the corporate life, family, and yourself as well. So first thing first, the rain thing. Man, I don't wanna ride this bike in the rain and the city traffic. It's not like I hate rain, but it's like I hate rain in the city. This bike not made for rain. I mean, I'm not talking about the performance or something like that. I'm just talking about the overall aesthetic of this bike. God damn. Because whenever I rode this bike in the rain, damn, muds everywhere. On my shoes, behind my bag, in front of me as well. No, it's very difficult to ride this bike in the rain. Because my shoes getting wet, my bag getting wet, and sometimes the front too. Minded the tires of this bike is more of a semi off-roading, so the water does come quite a lot behind my bag, and the mud guard is not helping at all. Should I upgrade my mud guard? No, that will kill the aesthetic of this bike. So no. Now the other thing about the corporate life. So I know I have Saturday, Sunday to edit those videos, but still I have to give some time for my family and for myself as well. And also because of rain, I don't ride this bike at all. I hardly, I hardly, I hardly touch this bike in the rain. So yeah, these are two big reasons I don't upload regularly. I know I have a lot of, oh my god, I know I have a lot of content to pending, so I try to get at least two video per month. I mean 15 days gap. That way, I can manage all the things. But in the rain, yeah, I'll post video in the rain, but not in the city, mostly outside the city. I have some plans to go some places near Pune during the monsoon season, but I don't know my camera will hold. Is it even a water resistance or not? So I have to make sure that my camera will not get damaged by water or something. We'll see what can I do about it. But for now, that's everything for my updates. But I'm live on my gaming channel, so if you are a gamer and also if you're not gamer, just wanted to talk about the bikes, come to my live channel. I'm currently playing the Dark Souls 3, one of my favorite genre. So yeah, watch me die many times in that game. So you can catch me live on that channel. I'll link it in somewhere in the description. So yeah, that's it. Apologies for you to waiting, because I know there are not a lot of content of this bike and not a lot of fan of this bike, but still those who are fan and dream of this bike, I understand your curiosity of this bike, cause I've been there. I've done that, watching the videos in the repeat about this bike as well. So Please forgive me and apologies for delaying the videos, but I'll try to make it worth your waiting and try to get those video uploaded in meantime. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye. Ow.